This video will be your step-by-step guide to sharing files on Google Drive. So first what you need to do is have the files on your computer. So here if we go to my file explorer, I'm going to share these two files here, which are two files for my video that needs editing. You can also share multiple folders of files and I'll show you how to do that in a second. So first you want to open up a web browser. So I'm going to open up Google Chrome and you need to get to Google Drive. Now there are a couple of ways you can do that. You can go ahead and if you're logged into your Google account, go to the Google apps and find Drive, or just type in Google Drive on the Google search and then you can go to personal cloud storage, then go to Drive. Both of these ways will need you to be logged into Drive. Now once you're logged in, if you want to share some files, to be honest, I would do so by creating a folder first. So if you go to New in the top left hand corner, you can then go ahead and create a new folder. So click New Folder. Now call this folder something that both parties can understand. I'm going to put here shared files for Bradley and we can go ahead and then create that folder. Now it will probably then redirect you to My Drive. If it doesn't, just click on My Drive and then find your folder. So here it is, shared files for Bradley. Now if we double click on this folder, we can now add anything to this folder. And what we will do is we'll share the whole folder. So there are two ways that you can upload files to Google Drive. The first way, if you go to New and then File Upload, you can select here individual files throughout your computer. So let's say we wanted to upload this video here that would need editing. We can highlight both of these files and open them. Now by doing it this way, you can only add files. But if you've got all of your files kind of categorized in folders, I would just open up your file explorer and you can just kind of like then highlight your folders that you want to transfer. These folders obviously include files as well, and you can then drag those folders on and it will upload the whole thing. Now obviously wait for your files to upload, but once they've uploaded, you need to right click on your folder name, the one that you created in Google Drive, then go ahead and click on Share and click Share again. Now here you've got two options. You can either invite someone via an email to access these files. To do that, enter in their email here and then you can give them access to either view or download them. So that will be the first one. And then editor will be able to do everything that these two can, but they will also be able to organize, add and remove files. So for the most part, people will be able to view them on the viewer permission. Then you can send that invite. That will require them to go to their email and accept the invite. If you want to skip all that though, you can right click, go to share and share again, and you can get a link. Now, if you change the general access to anyone with the link, now anyone with this link will be able to access this folder. You can then copy this link and give it to someone. Then obviously once they've downloaded the files, you can simply either delete them or change the general access back to restricted. So that's how you can use Google Drive to share files. I hope that quick video helped you out.